What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. We're going to talk about internet computer, guys. And internet computer is like one of those topics where everybody has a opinion, whether it's a good one or a bad one. But what I really want to uncover is how unique internet computer is and what internet computer can do. So we're going to cover this. We're going to talk about it. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that you can stay up to date with Run My Crypto videos, guys. I just want to bring you nothing but the best information to help you along the way on your journey. So anything that I say is not financial advice. It's just some education to help you in your journey. So make sure you guys watch all the way through to the end. Hit that like button again. It helps my channel grow, and I appreciate your guys' input and engagement. So drop a comment down there. Let me know how you feel, guys. Let's get into this. Let's get into internet computer. All right, so I really wanted to get a little deep with ICP today because there's things that maybe you guys don't understand when it comes to internet computer as far as the abilities of utility that internet computer has as an actual project. So in my opinion, ICP is built actually to be able to take on, for example, let's just say, for example, Ethereum, something happened and they had to shut it down. I'm just saying, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but what I'm aiming towards is that ICP literally has the ability to bring, ERC20 tokens to the ICP platform. Now, with that type of integration, that just goes to show you that anything that's built on Ethereum potentially could be built on internet computer. So if something, for God forbid, anything happened to Ethereum, I believe internet computer has the capabilities to bring any of those layer 2s directly onto ICP. But I'm just throwing that out there. But let's take a look at what's going on with ICP though right now, according to their Twitter space. And this is information that you may be able to have access to if you go on Twitter, but if not, I'll save you some time. Let's check it out. What I love about internet computer is that they stay busy. I mean, Dominique Williams, this is basically the main dude that is in charge of internet computer. And the positive that I love about visiting Mr. Williams Twitter or X is that he's literally everywhere. So whenever there's some type of event going on, or any conference, or anything related to Web3 and technology, this gentleman is in the mix. So right now, these are some photographs of him in the Paris Blockchain Week, out there, obviously representing internet computer to major VC capitals, major investors, the ones that bring the money into the markets. And that's a glorious thing for internet computer because, again, like I said, they stay really, really busy. And then we have always getting updates on what's going on with the project, which is great. So if you don't already follow Mr. Dominique Williams, I suggest you hop onto his X page and snap a follow for him, because there's a lot of information about this project that it's very critical, because we want to see projects being extremely transparent and putting in that work to scale their project amongst millions and millions of people. So he's doing exactly what's needed to be done. Also posting updates on a lot of information for internet computer. But what I want to do is actually head over to the website to talk through something that I found that it's really interesting. And some of you may know about it, some of you may not, but we're going to talk about it today. So let's head over to the website. Thought the website was actually super cool, especially since they added this ask ICP AI integration tab in here, where you can literally go in there and type in anything that you want. And then also they always reflect what's going on how many transactions and how many blocks have been processed, which is very critical for investors to be able to see what type of usage is going on with the platform. And obviously the amount of blocks that they've processed, and then Ethereum equivalent transactions looking really good and really healthy. Not only that, they are very transparent with the project, so you could actually go in here and just kind of drill into different things with internet computer. But a lot of this information, many content creators have talked about a lot of this, but the cool thing about it that I believe is very powerful for internet computer is being able to use it, right? So it's not only being able to come on the platform and, you know, interact with the coins and, you know, the projects associated with internet computer, but, you know, one of the big key things is, you know, let's say about what if we wanted to know about, you know, building or developing on internet computer. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Motoko playground or what Motoko is, but essentially when we talk about Motoko, basically what this is, Motoko is pretty interesting. If you guys know, actually, you know, going through their roadmap too is like very strong. Like, I mean, they've already deployed basically a big portion of what they've been projecting for their platform, and let's talk through this. So obviously they deployed the internet computer consensus, the internet identity, the non-interactive distributed key generation, the NNS, internet computer governance, so basically where you could do all the staking. Then obviously they did the BTC and the ETH, the Ethereum chain key cryptography. So they created the integration port to be able to utilize ETH and Bitcoin onto the platform, such as a 1-for-1. Now, this is the cool thing, the Motoko smart contract language. Now, when you talk about Motoko smart contract language, and this is what's I really enjoy this. I mean, you could actually come in here and check this little video out. But I'll basically talk on, you know, Motoko. So basically, if you're familiar with, cryptography and, you know, being able to code to create, NFTs or create, projects or create applications, you utilize coding. Now, the two of the big, well-known coding systems is JavaScript, and then we have Python, which a lot of people are familiar with Python and JavaScript. Now, when it comes to Motoko, this is essentially a contract. This is basically a language where you can create your applications or, build your NFT platforms, or, basically it's building on, internet computer. This is just a language that basically is integratable into internet computer to be able to build applications with ease. Now, the difference between if you were building with something like Python versus, JavaScript, that's where things get a little bit complicated. So what Internet Computer wanted to do with Motoko is essentially make it easier for individuals to utilize a programming language inside of Internet Computer that was going to be not only easy to use, but as you start to scale out your application, or you start to scale out the coding that you're using to build whatever platform you're trying to build on Internet Computer, they designed this to be able to allow you to scale that out without having any interruptions with building or scaling it out to a bigger and bigger, broader band when it comes to building some sort of platform. For example, like if you use Python and you're building with Python, as you start to make additions to your platform, or you start to build a bigger platform using additional coding, the variations of what your coding or whatever your input is can really cause problems for actual Internet Computer, as far as when you start adding additional lines of code and you start scaling out. Like, say you're going to upgrade your platform or add additional layers of information to the platform. When you're using something like Python and JavaScript, now you run into these issues because now you're talking about everything that you're adding or upgrading has to be integratable with the ICP platform. Now, using the Motoko, anything that you build or you continue to add or you scale out, it makes it easier for basically Internet Computer to grab that newer information without any variance in processing it, for it to be able to actually work and function correctly. Now, using other lines of code can get a little bit rough, especially as things are updating on the Python side or the JavaScript side, whereas, you know, Motoko literally has a continuous updating platform that, you know, basically anything you add to it could be interchangeable between whatever you're adding to that code and being able to integrate with Internet Computer. So that's what I think in my mind is, you know, Internet Computer thinking about the future when it comes to, you know, basically making it easier for the developer to build on Internet Computer. And then obviously they're thinking about Internet Computer, the system being able to utilize that new coding to help obviously grow whatever applications or grow whatever platforms or grow whatever NFT projects and so on and so forth that are being built using the Motoko system. So I thought that was super cool about Internet Computer building their own language into a smart contract using Motoko for developers to be able to come on Internet Computer and continuously make great applications and great product for not only the developers but for the users, of course. So yeah, so that's what I had today, guys. I just wanted to mention that we're going to talk about something simple but that is very valuable for the ICP chain. So guys, just to recap this, you know, Internet Computer is consistently thinking outside the box and thinking about the future of the developers and the future of the users. Obviously giving developers a system where they could utilize this coding that's going to make it easier for them to develop, scale out without, you know, very minimal issues as they deploy these types of applications onto, you know, Internet Computer. And, you know, this is very beneficial because, you know, not only is it going to be able to bring more volume of developers into Internet Computer, but it's going to also bring more utility for the actual ICP platform, because many people are going to use it because it's easy, it works effectively, it has the best security system set up with it, running 100% on chain. You know, we have the chain key cryptography built in, being able to migrate you know, native tokens into ICP with the value of a 1-for-1. You know, so it takes away all the oracles, so the oracles, third parties move out, and, you know, it just brings the security levels closer and closer. That's huge, because using third-party bridges and oracles allow a lot of room for fraudulent stuff to happen, and that's what we want as you know, a fully functional Web3 platform, is not to have to deal with security breaches or anything like that, you know, because, you know, with this technology and us moving forward into Web3, you know, security and data are, you know, the two most important things that we need to survive successfully in this Web3 revolution, guys. I hope you guys like this video, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date with the Run My Crypto videos, guys. And I always love to show Internet Computer some love because it's one of my favorite projects. Take care. Be blessed.